Today with Chaumette Vineyard Winery. We're going to discuss a couple wine terms that you might find when you're out tasting. The first is going to be the acidity of a wine. The acidity is how much tartness you might find or might not find in a wine. Some other descriptors you might see would be the crispness or brightness of a wine. Another term is going to be the terroir that you would see. Terroir is really the growing region of a wine. It can be here, in the southeast region. It's going to be a little different than the Herman area of Missouri. Also, another term you might find would be the vintage of a wine. The vintage means kind of the year that the grapes were picked and the wine was made. For most of the vineyards out there, you're going to have a vintage, say a 2014 vintage, and those grapes are going to be picked in 2014 to make the wine. But if you see one that says non-vintage or NV, that's just going to mean that it's usually a blend, but it's going to be a blend of a couple different years. Another term that you might find would be the body of a wine. The body is going to be classified as a full-bodied, medium-bodied, or light-bodied. That's going to be kind of the mouthfeel that you might get in a wine. Tannins is another term that you might find. It is the bitter compounds that are mainly found in red wines. It's going to come from the skins and the seeds that are going to be used in the fermentation process of your red wines. White wines usually won't have the tannins because they're not fermented on the skins and with the seeds. You're not going to get any flavor, any color out of those skins and seeds from the white wines, and it's mainly going to be your red wines.